Hello once again to African A to Z Library channel. In this video, I want to show us the easiest way to make quick and neat stitch braids. First of all, before you start making the stitch or cornrow braids, make sure that you or your hair braider or hairdresser has cornrow gel. Apply cornrow gel to the hair, to the portion of the hair you've cut out. Apply it very well, especially along the cut out edges. This is because most of the time the finger is not strong enough or may not be able to pick up those stubborn hairs, you understand? So it makes your hair to be neat, just like in this video. See how neat it is. So this cornrow gel helps so much in making hairstyle, especially stitch braids, just like the mouse we use for other long braids. In this one, this is the foundation you give to your hair. So try as much as you can to have it in your hair making kit, or let your hairdresser make use of it. Enjoy. As we go in this video, I will reveal more secrets to making neat, simple and gorgeous cornrows.